there will always be 20%. Yeah. My point is, I already said it before. I respect differing views. I respect other perspective. I never impose my point of view or my discernment to other people because I know that we are different. But you cannot impose on me what you think is your narrative to be true and right. Pag-sure mo. Napo ko yung own minds, napo ko yung own utok ko na maybe mga 1/8 na po na utok ko. Takabaw. Bright ka, okay? Bright ka. I respect that. But you cannot tell me na bright ka, wala ko yung right to form my own thinking, independent thinking or discernment. Says, istorya na lang tayo. Oh, karon na ako na siya gitagag chance to address the situation. That's it. I-address lang nako kay I noticed that there are already efforts of spreading negative comments. It was wala na before because I am just a normal citizen, an ordinary citizen, law-abiding citizen. I am nobody before, but when I created a platform for myself anchored on the gawas na si Ma'am Hanila.
Wag lang sa lubungin.
Papasukin nilang natin si Ma'am. Papasukin nilang natin sila. Kasi papasok naman sila.
Si Kitty yan. Si Kitty.
Hi ma'am, may hapon.
Maing hapon, Ma'am. Maing hapon, Kitty.
Anton.
Oh.
Papasukin. Kitty, advance happy birthday. Advance happy birthday.
Ma'am, mangutana tanami kang Kitty if you have plans to celebrate your birthday together with the Filipino community here or you already have plans?
After the
Sorry.
visit kasi tapos may gamay mi din nami visit ang
Okay. Okay.
uduulan ni kayo
On her birthday itself? Okay. Okay.
gamay
After the
lang
visit.
So that we may...
mo kayo maganda
Dili kaya po... kabalo biya ka, Ma'am, mga kababayan nato. Mag-KKB lang, Ma'am. KKB lang. Just like what we did to your father's, with your father's birthday.
And after the visit,
Yeah.
for sure, after the visit.
And that's on Thursday, no?
Vivian
Yeah, April 10th.
April 10, yeah. That's on Thursday. Because we're also thinking of holding a... on the 11th of April, marks the first month of your father's detention. So we want to offer prayers. We're going to gather dito sa mismo, ICC mismo, Ma'am. Gabiin na siya. Oh, from... Thank you. It would be nice kung naamo dito ang Ma'am. Dito mismo sa ICC. We already secured the permit, so that would be nice. We also invited some people to talk and to share stories as well with regards to your father.
Ma'am, kumusta po si President?
konti kasi
Nakapag-adjust na po ba siya?
Okay siya sabi niya nakaano na daw siya
Adjusting that.
nakaano na daw siya sa pagkain
Anong pinaka namimiss pa rin po niya?
Daghang ulan.
family kay pagka magdetalya na sa family parang masakitan siya. Gusto niya yung kami nag-visit kami lang. Ayan magdetalya na si ganito na apo mga ganyan. So but we keep on telling him that we are here. Yun ba ako ha? Supportan mo.
Support you, Ma'am. Hanggang sa dulo, Ma'am. Di, good mo undang, Ma'am. Maugin na siya. Correct, Ma'am. Okay.
God will make a way.
Exactly. Amen, Ma'am.
Tama.
Kung si pinaka-na-miss ni former President, Ma'am, sa Pilipinas?
Ang Pilipinas?
Pilipinas
In general na?
In general.
Munggos. Ang kwarto, syempre dito.
Yes, Ma'am.
Pero, you know what? Wala. But, yun ang mga, they've been so kind. Ba? I think, kung siya ni presidente na siya diha.
Bakit po?
The people, you know, the mga guards has been assuring me, do not worry, we are taking good care of him. Ano ba? Paano siya, even during the time na during sa Villamoy, di ba? Kami, we were
Yeah.
so... I asked him how do you feel? Are you angry? He said no. Ano siya na... Kaya yung mga gumawa sa kanya nito,
Babaan ra ma'am.
impyerno kayo.
Ganun.
Because wala siyang kami pa may masakit yung ako pa sabi ko sa kanya pero sabi niya no yun ang ano ba maano talaga siya ng tao kilala niyo naging presidente
Yes, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am.
tsaka ano ba yung all he cared for was about his country and about his countrymen. Alam niyo yan na
There's no doubt, ma'am. There's no doubt.
kaya that's why nga ako to be honest with you mangutan ako sa Ginoo ko yun naman Lord ko up to now I'm still dagang question mark so buti sana ako naging tarantado magnanakaw diba
Greedy yung kabila, ma'am. Greedy.
diba wala tinarong wala wala nag-abuso katong time na kuan ka wala na there was no air about him na presidente siya. That was my prayer po before ba na Lord help me to remain humble. And then same po sa iyahan na kita niyo man mag-asta. Wala siyang ere na.
Na ba siya message, ma'am?
Actually, this one is win-win sa iyaha Nakita niyo naman. Nakita niyo naman. Ang kala nila yun ang that will put him down. Kamali sila. Wrong move.
Nagsisimula pa lang po.
Nagsisimula.
Na ba siya?
Kailangan ito talaga tapusin talaga natin.
Yes, ma'am.
Nandito lang po kami, madam.
Meron ba siyang message, ma'am, sa mga kababayan? Okay.
Sinabi niya.
So, sabi niya, mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang Pilipino. So, again, he wants to extend his gratitude to all of you here, and sabi niya that he's willing to make that sacrifice. So,
Sacrifice will not be.
We will extend our gratitude.
Keep healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
thank you.
We
Thank
So
you.
talaga?
take note of his sacrifice.
This is the sacrifice for all of you to know what's really happening.
Yeah.
He sacrificed more than us.
Yeah.
Kita inay mong papasalamat.
I will, ma'am.
Exactly.
You know, he's very happy to know na you're still here outside.
Hanggang sa
Because
dulo.
Every time you visit, he thinks na no one's outside anymore. But I do assure him that no, there's still people outside. And I told him na medyo madami kayo. I told him that
Ayaw kay
Padayon, oras ka ugmaon.
Ma'am,
Unsa yung reaction ni former President, ma'am, na gilabel na siya na Duterte Park?
Katawa siya. Siya ka ng sa gawas, pangalan nila Duterte pa. Tapos akong giina na every time na there are gatherings here outside. Di ba, ginasabihan niya ang mga pulis na we want our president home. Yung mga pulis, we also want him home.
Yeah. Exactly. That is true, ma'am. Yeah, yung good ang police bitaw yung good sila.
ma'am, paano ho pinaghahandaan ng family? Kasi malaki na ho yung gastos din po ninyo sa pagbiyahe-biyahe. Tapos mga foreigner po yung mga lawyers po natin.
Ganun talaga. Kaya sinabi ko nga paghahandaan namin kahit na mangutang kami, gagawin namin. Because we told him we are going to support him all through. Yun ang
Sayang siya kasi madaming gustong tumulong sa akin. Pero we understand naman.
Hindi po kayo hingin.
Kasi marami kasing nagkunwari ba?
Yeah.
Anyway lang
Correct,
kayo. Yun
ma'am.
ang
Exactly,
Hindi
ma'am.
man lang yung mga friends namin na nag-support. Meron kami mga friends na nag-support. Pero yun lang, baka mabudol mo ba?
Yeah, exactly, ma'am.
Dili kami pabudol.
Oh, ma'am, hindi kayo hingi ng legal aid ba sa ICC? Para at least makabawas lang.
Basta when it comes to legal,
Ako ang
Attorney Locman.
the Vice President. Yes,
Tama.
I'm pretty sure, ma'am, that the former president is also looking forward as also ang mga kababayan nato sa mga Davaoenos, gilook forward yun nila na i-welcome ang atong soon to be mayor of Davao. Is he excited about the idea, ma'am?
He's looking forward to that. I think they're arranging something para I just don't want to talk about it.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
Kumusta yung pag-stay doon?
Okay lang. Adjusting sa food. Medyo na-diet me.
Na may Filipino Central lang siya. Nice na central.
Hindi sanay sa bread.
Yeah. Bitaw.
No. Ma'am, sabi niyo po kanina parang kayo pa yung medyo nagagalit. Pero si PRRD parang mas nagpapatawad pa siya.
And collected.
Yeah.
Yung lahat ng ginawa sa kanya na yon.
Very presidentiable talaga siya. Kaya ano yung actually it went beyond yung gusto nila, sabi nga niya na yung opponent niya has wala na talaga, down, zero politically, wala na. Kasi nagkamali nga sila It made him, I told him, you know, you're more popular now than when you were there.
Yes.
all over the world.
That's correct, ma'am.
You made that world record of worldwide celebration of birthday.
That's right.
The most popular DTN is in ICC all over the world.
So yung mga mga tawag nito, yung mga, sabi ko sa kanya, mga tao dyan, nandyan, nakasupport.
Okay lang.
Thank you so much.
Minsahe ma'am sa mga tao nga paday nga nagsuporta dili lang diri sa Duterte Park di sa tibuok kalibutan.
Maghimo taog collective prayers, tanan siya. Kabalod yun ko, God is listening.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Akala nila matago nila for a long time. You know, the kabalumanta, the people knows. When he was president, alam mo, sabihin ko sa inyo, ito alam man yan, yung, di ba, yung PGH, di ba? They were told, siya presidente, they will go, okay, we will give you 100 million something budget. So the people there at PGH, yung mga director dyan, akala nila na one time lang yun. Alam niyo ba yun? Monthly yun until natapos siya pagka-presidente. So nakita niyo yung dali na maguro makalimot.
Makalimot, ma'am. Give me makalimot ni PRRD.
Yeah, 1 million a month.
I know his sacrifices ba nga to the extent na malimtan niya, ma-disregard ang family, and every time he talks about, you know, panghadlok naman niya, ha? Diba? Panghadlok niya pag
Love tatay man. Kagaling yung tatay
diba?
ba?
Kita,
Tinood.
tatay, nanay, diba?
Yeah,
Mga
tinood.
paon ako bakos.
Oo. Silig to po.
So, when he was president, ingala na naiyaha, pasuko-suko na naiyaha. So, what happens yung pasuko-suko? Nalimpyo tong ugaw kayong Pasig dito sa
Bisa ka
taga Manila, yun na.
I like your name, Chantel. How old are
Pasig
you?
River. Diba, nalimpyo. Tapos,
I like your
suki lang siya something but everything is wala na siya. All I can tell you, wala gito siya personal. So nagkamali di kayo na to those who are thinking na mga oligarchy. Nagkaroon, at least nagkaroon tayo ng presidente na hindi nagkaroon ng personal interest. He did not think about, you know, magbulsa siya ng enriching himself or what he's doing. He never, not one single, pag-isipan na gano'n. Ang sa kanya talaga is, he took his oath seriously na ginawa niya ang lahat para sa Pilipinas. So, sometimes ako pa ang kayo. Siyempre, kabalo ko niya. Hindi niyo alam yung during pandemic. Sakripisya niya. He doesn't want the people to know, to be scared na, ay, walang leader, walang namumuno. Yung lahat ng mga nandun, mga PSG niya, mga whatever protocol.
I think pink suits you very well.
They've been telling him not to conduct cabinet meetings, pero siya wala sa kanya, so be it. When it happened, you know, that incident in Marawi, sabi ko, di na mulupad yun siya. He was there for the soldiers, pero sa gibuhat sa mga sundalo.
Pag nagkukwentuhan po kayo, ma'am, ni PRRD, anong mensahe niyo sa mga gumawa nito sa kanya?
Alam mo, I will just let God do the revenge for us.
Tama.
Diyos, hindi nila maano yan. Hanggang apo yan nila. Hanggang apo ng apo nila. Hanggang doon ang ano nila. Hanggang doon ang parusa ng Diyos. So, Diyos nang bahala sa kanila. Hindi nila matakasan yan. This one will be the start of you will know that nakita niyo naman miski na sa Senate, di ba? Nakita niyo naman. They will never be given the chance by the Filipino people. Saka ano yan, Diyos yan.
Pamanilet nay nangutan nagikan sa Agdaw. Taga-Agdaw ko. At taga Davao. Sa message nimo para sa taga Agdaw ma'am, taga Atua.
Oy, mga taga-Agdaw, bantay lang mo ha. Zero ang kalaban ha. Bantay lang.
Ma'am Manilit, paliw ko promote sa PDP ma'am na naminaw sila kami sa Agdaw.
Siyempre, tanan, maugin na, di ba, initially yun si Vice President. Ayaw magbisita diri kung di mo mahimong senator. So, straight na PDP.
Yes.
Straight yun na PDP. Nga nung magkamali pa man ta o magsalig o kuan, uban, nakita man ta. Those people na ato ang giboto supposed to protect us, to protect the interest of the Filipinos, you know, to protect the kwarta of the country. Wa naman.
Yes.
Naman naman.
Ma'am, sorry po to ask. Baka meron lang po kayong reaction sa comment po ng Palasyo ng Malacanang na sabi niya kay Attorney Kaufman, good luck daw para i-prove na innocent daw po si PRRD.
Ganda naman yung sinabi niya, good luck. sabi mo, God bless.
Yes.
That's nice. Yung blessings na ito. Good luck is for the walang Diyos yan eh.
Totoo.
Pero ang sa atin, God bless. Sa mga ano yan, mga ganyan na tao. I don't think of them as I don't think of them as
Kailan po inaasahan po si Congressman Paulo, ma'am? Sabi po ni VP Sara parang pupunta rin daw po.
Naantay ko pa nga eh. Naantay ko.
Pag siya po ay pumunta, kayo po ay palit naman?
Magsabay muna kami tapos pag-usapan pa namin. Salamat ha.
Salamat.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Salamat ma'am.